I'm excited, but I'm also not. Okay, listen, let me explain. I got the new Coach It bag. I've been wanting this bag for so long. Everybody wants this bag, okay? And I got it. I was sitting on pins and needles because I placed the order late, okay? I was late to get. I don't keep up with Coach, okay? But when I did, I was like, oh my God, I want it. And wanted to see if it was going to be there. Okay, let me. I'm stressed. Listen. So I ordered the bag. First, I was stressed because I didn't know if they was going to fulfill the order, okay? Because I thought it was going to come canceled, like they ain't got no more, okay? Well, damn. It's a really emotional time. So then, when they did fulfill the order, I said, yes, won't he do it? But then this box just came. What's this? This is a hole. This is a rip in my box with my new Coach It bag. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. And the subscribe button is free. Even in 2026, it is free to hit the subscribe button. Don't cost you nothing, but it means the absolute world to me. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, because you know I'm going through an emotional time right now. Jesus, fix it, Jesus. Listen. So I ordered this bag like 3 days ago. And I'm late to the you like, girl, what bag? It's the pretty one. The one with all the colors. And I thought they was going to be out of stock, but they wasn't stock. And then they made me wait like a whole 24 hours before they sent me a order confirmation. So I was like, all right, cool. And then they sent me the shipping notification. I said, all right, bet. And then my box came like this. Why my box like that? It came from Charlotte. Let me open this box. So I stopped everything I was doing. Like, I'm not playing. Well, I am playing, but I mean, y'all know I'm dramatic. That's what I mean. But this box hasn't been in my house for more than 15 minutes. Okay? And I was like, first of all, I need to open it on camera, because what is this? And then also, I do want to see it. I'm excited for it. I don't even know why I don't even need these scissors. Look at this box. Who did it? Like, come on, man. Now, if the bag is fine, then I don't care. But I'm just... I know. Look how easy that tape came off. Man, listen. Y'all. Okay, you know what? It's a new year. Okay? It's a new year. We're going to think positive. What the? I don't know why I'm lifting up. You could probably see through the hole. Okay, you know what, girl? Let's put the box on the floor. We're gonna move the tissue paper. At least there's a bag in here, child. At least there's a bag in here. Now, why they got the tissue paper they just threw in the car? I do see it though. It may make all my troubles go. Then they done put the paperwork at the bottom of the box with the loose tip. Okay, I think I'm happy again. Oh, let me sit down. I'ma sit down. Let me sit down. Okay. Oh my God! Bitch, stop. Stop it. Stop it right now. Okay. We go, we straight, we go. Okay, this is, oh my goodness. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, calm down, girl, calm down. Okay, well, the shell of this Coach piece is made with a blend of cotton sourced from farms that use regurg. I don't care. I'm not even going. I don't care. Now they ripped my tag. Why they rip my tag? I don't care. Okay. Oh my gosh, she is cool. Should I start ripping off this wrapping? Child, I need to inspect the bag first. Let me inspect it. I'm gonna keep that on the hardware. Y'all, this is so pretty. Okay, those are the hang tags. Okay, wait. Let me open it. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna look first. I'm gonna look. I don't want to waste your time. Ooh. I think I'm gonna keep this bag. Okay, let me take this off. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this bag. Okay, let me take it off. Hold on. Hold up. Girl, you got scissors right here. I had scissors right here. Just extra. Okay. And then this is the, I can slide that off. Okay, what's this? Oh, I should keep this. That, oh my God. They don't got one on the other side. They ain't got, okay, whatever. Okay, let me show y'all this. This was noise. Okay. Let me tell you the story real quick, right? Oh, wait, I can take out the shoulder strap while I tell you the story. Okay, so y'all know when the Kisslock came out last year, right? It came out in 2025, right? I could have made that up, but I feel like it came in 2025. How many straps am I supposed to have with this bag? Because I only got one. How many I'm supposed to have? Because somebody I feel like I'm supposed to have more than one. Maybe not. I don't know. I gotta look it up. But anyway, what's this? Oh, it's connected to the thing. Okay, so y'all know when the Coach Kisslock came out, right? I want to say 2025. I feel like I'm right, but also I'm not sure. But when this bag first dropped, right? Cause I watched the cause y'all know I don't watch nobody's fashion show but Louis Vuitton. Okay, but I did watch. Now where this go? I did watch that particular Coach, and I don't even know what made me watch it. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't even know what made me watch it, but I had watched that Coach fashion show, and I saw that Kisslock come down the I said, what the, how? Okay, yeah, I need that. Because also my mama gave me this I've had this for years because my mama gave it to me. Now where'd it go? Child, that's the wrong drawer. Hold on. Okay. My mama gave me this years ago. Can y'all see it? I hope it don't wash it out. She gave me this years ago. It's a Kisslock, like before the new re-edition. When I say years ago, I mean years ago. Like even before the runway show years ago. And I had it and I thought it was super cute, but I never used it. Right? Just have it. Because my mama gave it to me. So then I saw this down the runway. One, is super cute, and then it made me think of, you know, my little coin purse that my mama gave me. I was like, oh, that'd be cute. I need something to go in my coin purse. Anyway, so then when it came out with the colors, I didn't want the pink one, and they had the black. So I was like, no, I want that. And then I was like, just wait for more colors to come. And then they had a maple marble, like that brown. I was like, ooh, maybe that. Ooh, maybe that. But by the time I went to go pull the trigger, they were sold out. So I was like, girl, just wait. And then I was scrolling these internet streets. I was about to say YouTube streets, but I'm not sure if I saw it on YouTube or TikTok. I was on the internet streets, and I saw this, and I was like, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm not a signature jacquard Coach girly. Like when I do Coach, it's got to be leather. But the colors, when I saw it, listen. And I wasn't sure because I only saw it on the internet streets. So I wasn't sure if it was just people's lighting and camera that. So that's why I was like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, but it's even better in person. It is even better in person. Like, I don't even know if I need to give y'all a tour of this bag, because I'm pretty sure y'all have seen it. I'm late. I don't keep up with Coach, okay? I don't, no shade to God, I just don't keep up with Coach. But when I see something, oh my God, I'm so happy. Now, this got one shoulder strap, which, I mean, who wearing this crossbody? So I guess maybe it only comes with one shoulder strap. But let me know. Hold on, let me see. Move this chair, move this chair. Let me pose, let me pose. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I'm 5'8", if you need a reference. Okay? That's cute. Oh my God. But who carrying her like that? She is like this. She is the moment, honey. Like, imagine like standing holding your bed like this, talking. Yes, huh? Mm-hmm. Yes, I would like the large tender fried rice. Thank you so much. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Could you put a Diet Coke light ice? Oh, I'm sorry. You need my card? Hold on. Yes, I know I have Apple Pay on my phone, but let me get my card. Hold on. You know, make sure people see your bag. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, and then had a little tap. Uh-huh. Yeah. She's the moment. You can't wear her with black, though. Because I feel like with these pretty colors, you need to bring out colors, honey. Okay? You need to bring out colors. I'm going to keep posing. Listen. I like this bag. I think this bag, how much was this bag? I think it was like, was it sitting on that bitch? It wasn't sitting. How much was it? I think it was like $9. Okay, so this is what the inside look. It is leather lined. Same lining as the tag. I don't want to take the stuffing out because I feel like this is one of them bags that need to stay stuffed. So what I have to do, like bags like this where they have this paper stuffing in, I like to get Ziploc bags. So every time I use the bag and have to reuse the stuffing, I don't like to like just have loose paper thrown everywhere. So it's easier to put this paper in a Ziploc and then take the Ziploc, you know, in and out when you're using this bag. This is cute. This is, do it come with a chain? Girl, why you ain't do no research? I mean, I did, kinda. I love this bag because even if it come with a chain strap, well, if it come with a chain strap, I want my chain strap because I paid for my chain strap. I think this was like $950. It was a little over $1,000 after taxes. So if it come with a strap and a chain, I want it. However, I'm never gonna use it because this is not one of them bags you use. You know what I'm saying? Like you keep it here, and then if it get a little too heavy, you keep this in it. So if it get heavier, you know you need your hands. You can put it off to the side with pride. But for the most part, you know what I'm saying, you gotta stun on them. You gotta stun on them, hold it here. So when they looking at you, they don't got no choice but to look at your bag. I like this bag. Now I need to, where I'm put, I don't know. I like this bag. Yeah, I'm keeping her. Why they rip my little tag though? I mean, I don't care. Girl, why you care? You're gonna throw it away anyway. I like this bag. And it got 2 hang tags. One say Coach. And the other one said, what does this say? The Kisslock frame bag, limited re-edition, 1969. Ooh. Is it a limited re-edition? Did I know that? Probably not. I don't know. I don't like all that. I don't care. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't care. The only brand that I actually am interested in the heritage, the history, how is it, is Louis Vuitton. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Probably because it was originally made for luggage and wine. What is my 2 favorites? But for the most part, any other brand, if I like it, I don't care. I don't care about the history. I don't care where it was made, how it was made, when it was made. If it's cute, I want it. What kind of? Because a lot of cute things that I don't want. If I think it's worth my coin and it's cute, then I want it. Okay, anyway. That is my Coach unboxing. I really thought it was going to be a Coach fail. I really did because of how that box came. I really did. I'm not going to lie. But I'm going to look over the bag one more time to make sure. But I think it's fine, child. I think FedEx just jacked the box up. But then also, I don't know why they just threw it in the box. Like, why I don't got no box for my bag? Because Girl, because you're going to throw away the box anyway. That's not the point. They didn't know that. They didn't know that, okay? But it looks fine. I'll make sure ain't no scratches. Girl, I don't want to waste y'all time. You know what I'm saying? I know you like, girl, do that on your own time. But sometimes you need evidence. Okay? I don't see no gems missing. Y'all, this bag is nice. Let me show you one more time. Then I'm going to leave you alone. Let me show you one more time. This is nice. This is real nice. Now I need an outfit. Should I change my outfits? I be doing too much. Okay, good people, that is it. That is the unboxing of my new Coach Kisslock in the large. I think they call it the rainbow crystal. What my phone? I don't have my phone. I think they call it the rainbow crystal bag. But this bag is not new. Well, I mean, I think it's been out. What that lady say? I think she said 2 weeks. I think I'm like 2 weeks behind. I mean, I don't care. I got one. But I'm so happy I had it because of that box, and you know, it coming from Shorely. I really thought it was gonna be a call and cuss them out situation. I really did. But all's well that end well. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me, especially when you want to see me style this bag. Okay? Because when I put on an outfit, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. I'm letting you know right now. So keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.